Mwena wa Kiboko, kaunti-ini ya Makueni, urakora turagitana marori maya magukuua maguta. Gũkũ kwenjetwo mitaro ino makiria ma 40 iria yenjetwo matĩna-inĩ matiganĩte ikionania maguta maria mari tiiri-ini.
On the 30th of March, through our Water Resources Users Authority Association, they discovered wetness, which they reported to the KPC, and upon reporting they discovered it was oil spill. So that's what triggered this whole process.
Ta njĩra ya kũrigĩrĩria maguta maya gũthiĩ na mbere kũingĩra tĩri-inĩ, kambuni ya maguta ya Kenya Pipeline ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtahia maguta maya marĩa marekĩra marima-inĩ maya na kũmakuua.
The extent of the oil spill, and so far from the site where the spill happened, you can see almost 5 meters downstream there are wells that have been dug and they have oil product. Mainly from the MD yesterday we confirmed we're talking about diesel and petrol.
Afitha uyu waugite uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni ruhonge rwa kurora mai kundu gutano ngurani ruui-ini rwa Kiboko ruria ruhoketwo ni andu makiria ma 15,000 wonanitie ati mai mena maguta undu uria maretigira waya gukorwo wikirite ugima wa mwiri wa muingi ugwati-ini.
It's the same spring where Karro gets water for the irrigation of the research station. We have several community schemes that have water, including schools that are getting water from here. In the event that this water is polluted, then you are saying even the agricultural research work that happens here is completely curtailed.
Kurumirira uhoro uyu, Thirikari ya Makueni niirutite mukana wa guthitanga kambuni ya Kenya Pipeline kuria igoti ria kimabururi magietha kihoto ni undu wa mogwati maria mang'etheire gicigo giki kumana na maguta maya.
What is provoking us or informing us to seek for justice from outside the confines of Kenya is because up to this moment the Cabinet Secretary in charge of environment ought to have come to respond to this matter, which is very grievous.
Sisi tuko kwa shida kwa sababu sasa lazima tutafutiwe maji ya kunywa ya matumizi yote.
Kuma kuonekana mai maya mari na maguta, aikari ni magite guoya wa kuhuthira mai kuma ruui-ini rwa Kiboko, undu uria utumite thirikari ya kaunti ya Makueni kwambĩrĩria mĩhang'o ya gũtwarĩra aikari mai na marori magieterera uthuthuria wa kinyi wa kuonania kana mĩtũrĩre yao ĩrĩ ũgwati-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.